we go. We have all our ingredients for gumbo. We have okra, diced tomatoes, liquid smoke, just a little bit because I don't love the flavor of that. Some black beans, oil, rice flour because I'm gluten free. You're supposed to use all purpose flour. I use rice flour. We have our seasonings all mixed together. Diced onions and chopped red pepper and green pepper and celery and portobello mushrooms. This is my first time making it, so we're going to see how this is. I heated up some oil and now I'm putting in some of that rice flour just to make sure that it's going to sizzle and it's hot enough. That pot in the back is actually holding Worcestershire sauce, which I'm cooking for this recipe because being gluten-free and vegetarian, I cannot eat store-bought. Now that it's sizzling, I'm going to add this rice flour in here and continually stir it until it gets nice and dark. Now that it's nice and dark, and I probably should have gone a little bit darker, I'm going to add in these veggies. They all go in the same pot, so don't ask me why I am putting them in specific veggie by specific veggie. Other than that, I like to do it that way, I guess. I don't know. But they all go right into the pot. Don't forget the okra, the whole reason I found this recipe, and you add that in and then just stir it really good. Get the oil and rice mixture nice and covering everything. Then you're just gonna let it cook as long as it takes for everything to get soft and for the okra to not be slimy anymore. All right, this is my second time stirring it and my third time stirring it, and now it looks pretty good. So we're going to add in the spice mixture and then we're going to stir it again. Look at that. Ooh, that looks so good. Steamy, but it looks so good. Time for the diced tomatoes and the black beans and finally the liquid smoke. And then we're just going to stir this up really good. Then we're going to let it sit for 25-ish minutes until it looks beautiful. Here we go is the finished product and a beautiful bowl of the most delicious gumbo I've ever had, which isn't really saying much because I've never had gumbo, but this was a really delicious meal.
For more basically vegan deliciousness, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. You can also watch this video I have posted here.